guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. I do make videos about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, vlog, and so many more. If this is what you're interested in, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to always get notified whenever I'll be posting a new video. In this video, I will be telling you guys how I got rid of a pimples breakout and how I cleared my dark spots using just two amazing products, which are the Dettol and my soap. You want to see what happened? Please do keep watching and do watch this video. So these are the two products that I'll be using. This is my soap, my extract soap, as you can see right here, and this is my Dettol. I ran out of my Dettol not long ago, so I'll be using this. But if you have Dettol, you can use your Dettol, or if you have the Santol, any of it, you can use it because I believe that I trust the process. So you want to see? I just wet my soap now, guys. So let's go. Okay, let me shift this. So this is how I normally treat my pimples. As you can see, I have a pimples breaker, but it's fading off. It was not like this, but it's fading now. So trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Let's go. So this is how I just apply like this. So guys, this is going to be on my face for 30 seconds. So let's, so you can see 30 seconds has elapsed. So now what's the next step? Are we going to leave it like this or are we going to wash it off? Which one? Good. This is where the Dettol, or you can use your Dettol, comes in. So I got this cup. I just use it for experiment. So this is it. Measuring it now. 1 cup, right? Nah. I love using 2 cups full of this for this product. So this is what we do. So you have to dilute it with water. You don't use it like this because these products are always harsh to the skin, most especially to your face. So I normally dilute it with water, like enough water. Yes. So this amount is quite okay, but if you don't feel safe, you can add enough water to your required taste. So now what are we gonna do? So I'll be using this foam with the diluted Dettol, as you can see, to wipe, kind of cleaning out the soap that I applied on my cheek. This place that I have this pimples breakout, I'm going to make sure I clean it thoroughly. So this is just how I normally do my whenever I have a pimples breakout. Yep. And it's also good to fade out dark spots on your face. On your face. So this is it. Wipe everything off. So after doing this for, can I say, 5 minutes or so, then I suggest you wash your face off with a very neat water. Yeah, you wash your face off with a neat water. So let's wash our face off. Guys, now I'll be applying my moisturizer. So I'm done rinsing my face with water. So everything is off. Let's apply our moisturizer. So this is just how I normally do mine whenever I have pimples break out. So this is just my own way of doing it. So you can try it out, but please do be reminded that the tools are always harsh. So make sure you dilute yours very well, very probably. Yep. So let's go. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up at the end of it, and don't forget to drop a comment down below. Bye.